Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange and customize home screen in the Honor X7a. So in the first step, if you want to open the home screen settings, just swipe the two fingers to the center. And now you can choose one of these options. Okay, the first one is wallpaper. So if you want to change your wallpaper on the home screen, just click on any on the sided one, click accept and choose a place for it, like a home screen for example. Okay, and now we have a new wallpaper. Okay, the next one, cards, it's a widget. So if you want to add any, just hold the finger on it, or before that, expand the application that you want, like this one, and hold the finger on it. Choose the place for it, click on the home screen back, and that's it. Now we have a widget. If you want to remove that, hold the finger and choose remove. That's it. The next one, transition, it's an effect when you're swiping the pages on your home screen. So if you want to change it, click here, and to check the preview of any, just tap on it. Choose your decided one, the favorite one, and just go back. This is how it works. Okay, and now we can go to the home screen settings, and there we have a layout. So just tap on it and choose the layout as you see your needs. That means how many have your application in the rows and in the columns. And the last, Google Discover. This is a -1 screen on the left side on your home screen. You can see there we have a Google feed, Google search bar, your account. So if you want to deny it or activate it, you can do it here by this little switcher. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.